Sharing experiences on skincare for people who are often exposed to the sun. If you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, you know how important it is to take care of your skin. Prolonged exposure to the sun can cause sunburns, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. To help protect your skin, here are some tips for taking care of your skin when you're spending time outdoors. First, make sure to use sunscreen. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Choose a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 15, and make sure to reapply it every 2 hours. Next, wear protective clothing. Choose clothing that covers your arms and legs, and wear a wide-brimmed hat to protect your face. If you're going to be out in the sun for an extended period of time, consider wearing clothing that has a UV, ultraviolet protection factor, rating. Third, limit your time in the sun. Try to stay out of the sun during the peak hours of 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., when the sun's rays are the strongest. If you can't avoid being in the sun during these hours, make sure to take extra precautions. Finally, keep your skin hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and make sure to use a moisturizer to help keep your skin soft and supple. By following these tips, you can help protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays and keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. Taking care of your skin is important for everyone, but it becomes even more crucial for those who are regularly exposed to the sun's harmful UV rays. Whether you spend a lot of time outside for work or leisure, it is essential to take steps to protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. In this guide, we will share some tips and tricks for taking care of your skin if you are regularly exposed to sunlight. Tip 1. Wear sunscreen daily. One of the most important things you can do to protect your skin from the sun is to wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and apply it generously to all exposed areas of your skin. Reapply every 2 hours if you are outside for an extended period, or immediately after swimming or sweating. Tip 2. Cover up. Another way to protect your skin from the sun is to cover up when possible. Wear long-sleeved shirts, pants, and hats with a wide brim to shade your face and neck. Lightweight and breathable fabrics like cotton or linen are ideal for hot weather. Tip 3. Stay in the shade. If possible, avoid being in direct sunlight during peak hours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Seek shade under trees, umbrellas, or awnings, especially when the sun is strongest. Tip 4. Hydrate your skin. Sun exposure can dry out your skin, leading to premature aging and other skin problems. To keep your skin hydrated, use a moisturizer daily, especially after sun exposure.